Hello, this is Christine Ashford, and this is part 5 of 4 other videos and how to tune up your Poulan Pro lawnmower, and it's a Briggs Stratton 6.25 engine. And the tools you will need is a socket wrench. Let me switch now. You're gonna need a socket wrench and a spark plug socket to take the spark plug off with. And you will need a 13mm socket and wrench to take the plug off the oil that's under the lawnmower. You got a plug under the lawnmower up under the blade, and you will use this to take that plug out to drain the oil out into a oil pan. As you can see over there on the ground, all the black oil that I drained out my lawnmower in the previous videos. And also you will need a funnel to pull the oil down in, and I used 10W30 SAE motor oil, which is a good brand. And also the spark plug and part number you will need for this type of lawnmower. Poulan Pro is a Briggs Stratton engine, and it's a 6.5, and the part number is 796112 for my spark plug. And then also my air filter I got. Here's the part number. It is 491588S, and that's the air filter. Briggs Stratton. And this is how my old spark plug looked that come out when what had happened was my engine started going idling, going slow, like it didn't want to go. And then all of a sudden I had like a backfire on my spark plug. And then it wouldn't crank at all anymore. And this how it looked. It's black and burnt out to the tip. It's messed up, all that smut. And I hadn't gave it a tune-up since I had got the lawnmower, which was, I think, about a year ago. So I guess you need to tune it up at least every 8 months or so, depending on how much you use the lawnmower. I'll say at least once a year. Change everything on your lawnmower: the oil, spark plug, and your air filter. And that is it. I hope this helped someone in how to tune up their lawnmower. And I have 4 other videos to this same lawnmower, how to do. Please pass it on. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.